We have a new beauty product to unbox today. So this is ordered from Lazada. I will indicate on the description box below kung saan ko siya in order. As you are aware na I'm trying to build out my skin routine. So first item, this is a freebie. It's not one of my order. So nice. It's a trial pack. Napaka-generous nung seller to give this trial pack. It was Puny Kang Yul trial pack. And then next, this is also a trial serum from the seller as well. Diba, napaka-generous. Pagbukas pa lang, dalawang freebie na agad yung makikita natin. This is Cane Serum. And then let's open this one. And this one will be the COSRX Acne Pimple Master Patch. Saktong-sakto kasi meron akong tatlong pimple ngayon. Ayan o, kitang-kita nyo naman. So, this will be very useful para takpan ko siya, especially pag pumapasok sa office and I'm wearing a mask para hindi siya na-irritate sa mask. So, this is for 105 pesos. I will indicate sa description box below kung saan ko siya nabili sa Lazada. And this the two items are items now on recommendation by Sir Jan Angelo. I've been watching his YouTube channel. If you're trying to build your skincare routine like me, I will recommend for you to watch his YouTube videos. Kasi ang daming tips na naibibigay niya and he's already focused regarding Asian skin. And syempre, since he's a Pinoy, he is providing suggestions that are helpful for us Filipinos based on our weather. So this is the ILLIYOON Ceramide Auto Concentrate Cream. It's 200 ml and nakita nyo naman ang laki niya. It's for a reasonable price. And this one, this is the Beauty of Joseon Matte Sun Stick. I also bought this on a recommendation by watching Sir Jan Angelo's YouTube channel. I have been following his YouTube channel recently and really ang dami ko natutunan regarding skincare and skincare. As I mentioned on my previous video, ngayon pa lang ako nag-i-start talaga na i-establish yung skincare routine. And so this is the basic moisturizer and the sunblock. Since sunblock is needed, yun ko lang nalaman na kailangan pala nagsa-sunblock and I'm now age 39. Medyo late ko na siyang nalaman na kailangan pala talagang palaging nagsa-sunblock for protection for our skin. Though I have the series sunblock na pinakita ko sa inyo sa previous video ko, I purchased this for reapplication because for sunblock I was able to learn by watching Sir Jan Angelo's video na for sunblock kailangang nagre-reapply every 4 hours, especially pag nasa labas. So I only mostly go out 3 times, so this will be useful. And ang cute niya, napaka-compact, ang liit-liit niya, so madali lang siyang ilagay sa bag. And this will not be messy. Though hindi ako mahilig maglagay ng makeup, hindi rin ako nagpupulbo. I just wear my face bare. So this will be useful for doing the reapplication kasi nga nalalagkitan ako sa series sunblock. So this will be my to be used for reapplication. Pag sa bahay before leaving, I will still use this series, and then for reapplication, I will use this one. So for now, ito pa lang yung kinaya ng budget ko na bilhin for my skin routine. Next time, I will incorporate retinol, or shall I say I will add retinol on my skin routine so that it will build up my skin barrier. So I will indicate on the description box below again where I bought this. Thank you seller for all this freebie. And let's also try opening this. So, tinry kong amuyin, hindi ko maamuyin pala. Meron pa siyang seal dito na silver. So, very nice. If you could see, napakalaki niya. So siguro magtatagal to sa akin ng 3 months or more. So that's it for this unboxing video. Bye guys!